my gosh, they're so pretty.
Piggies. What are they doing?
Digging. Digging. Hey! The sheep, look! They shear the sheep here! Look, they are so bad! Somebody's shear them wool! Here!
This is my first time.
That's real wool.
Actually, this is my first time feeling it.
Yeah. We can make jumpers, woolly jumpers for winter. Nice and warm.
We have to wash it.
Yes.
Can we go in the choo-choo train?
And the cows.
I think it was. What's that?
For washing your hands. Wash your hands.
Look, Mommy, milk.
Milk, yes. Looks like it's a herb garden here. Do you want to see the herbs?
Can we get that?
Little houses for birds.
Yeah.
Look over there, all the herbs.
Oh, are these raspberries or strawberries?
That's chamomile.
What is chamomile?
You can have it for a tea.
It's
Chamomile
squishy.
tea.
It's squishy.
All the herbs.
I think this is mint.
Yes, that's mint, right? That's right. Smell it. Nice. Come on. Do you want to sing?
No, this is a sweet one.
And look, here is the wheat.
Hello? I think this is a fork for to do this.
For digging, yes, soil. And then you can plant beautiful flowers or herbs. Take this little sample and try it. Do you like it?
Yes, go for it. You don't have the allergy food? No.
It's actually a smoothie. Nice smoothie. With kiwi, lime and matcha. But with grass. And flax seeds. And some vitamins.
Thanks so much. I think we should buy that. It's nice. That's raspberry and apple. It's really tasty.
No, you don't like it?
It's kind of sour.
It's a
I
little
would like it.
sour, yeah, but it's...
Girls, you don't have any allergies or anything?
It is nice.
I like this one too.
That's apple juice.
Try some flax.
Do you want to try the green one?
What's in it?
Kiwi, lime, matcha, grass, and flax.
Yeah.
Is that the best one?
I can't describe how it tastes.
Strawberry and
It's got
cherry.
strawberries in it and cherries in it. It's called Energize. It's going to give you some energy.
Good? Which one is your favorite? The green one. Yeah, I like this one as well.
Invigorate.
The green one and that one.
And the apple one, okay.
She loves the green one.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
grass. That's what you have in this green juice. Smoothie. It's smoothie. It's lots of fruits there and the green grass. The wheat grass.
Wait.
Yeah. Lovely.
They say. Daddy say.
So healthy. You come back for more. you really love that, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we have to go get some innocent. That's really tasty. Yeah, it is hammocks. I think they are folded at this moment. But that's beautiful hammocks, yes. Hammocks. And there is some small ones. Are we going to see there? Maybe.
You've just got the one tree and one and nothing for the other, you know? So we're not going down the West Coast, you know?
What? It's a puppet.
But looks cool.
The blue.
Double hammock.
Can I get it?
Because it's raining.
That's how they look. Look.
Can we get
When you unfold them, that's how they look.
We're taking this to Poland. We're taking this to Poland.
Yeah.
Even in the video, we have to actually buy it in real life.
We have to buy it, yes. And we
Real
have to-
life,
and
right
we
now,
have
come
to
on.
put it on the tree. Like this.
Can we get an ice cream?
Let's go.
Let's go get an ice cream. Let's go get an ice cream.
It's a little bit wet now.
Yes.
It's raining.
I know it's still get an ice cream.
Oh, such a cool bean bags. Such a pity this wet now.
Pop, pop,
Aw.
pop. I want to get on the ice cream.
Are you lost? Hello, I got you. I got you. Oh, that looks good. Over there, look. Are we going there?
First, we'll have to check there. It's an ice cream shop.
Frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt.
I don't know.
Tastes like ice cream.
Do you want to try?
You can add loads of chocolate and jellies on top.
Okay, come on, we see what is in donut section. You could try it.
We might. Ooh, donuts.
Donuts.
Crispy donuts.
We taking with chocolate or just plain one? Which one?
Can we also take an ice cream?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tasty? Okay. You don't like me spam? Hello! Hide and seek! This tree is insane. Have a look, look. Oh my gosh. Hello!
I'm up here.
How you doing?
Let's take this cookie.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'm coming here.
Give me a hand.
No. I'm a scout. I'm This is really high. For 3-year-olds do not do this. I'm
No, that's
almost
definitely for
7.
big and children.
I'm almost 7, so this is what I'm 7 years old. I think I'm supposed to be doing. I'm going to be in hunt soon.
Can you jump?
I will not jump because I don't want to injure myself because I already fell from this train and I stuck. Okay, come with me. Come with me. Actually, I would jump. Will I hold on to this while I'm jumping?
Your hair got caught. Okay, fine. You're safe now.
Ow. Right.
Give me a hand. I'll help you. Jump. Yes.
Again!
Well done.
Let's go, let's go. There.
Wow, that's a nice thing. A deer. Real horns for deer.
It's a perfect sheepy.
The sheepy
Oh,
and the piggy.
oh, the tofu. Oh, the tofu. The pies.
Yes.
The white thing. Now the pig.
They're beautiful. Oink oink.
Oink,
Oink oink. Look at the fox. Look at the fox. Wow, that's really nice. Good art. Good art. And giraffe. And the piggy. Horse. Are you on this tree again?
Here, yes. Scouts need to learn very quick, and I mean quick.
Yes.
Like from 2 or 3 goes. Done.
The water is dripping on you.
Horses! Can I get them all up? I want to try and do them again.
So pretty.
I gotta do this one. I gotta do the. I want to do this one again. My family would love this.
Look at this. Did you see this giant horse head? Thank you for watching, guys. Have a look at part 2 where we're going to see designer gardens and playground. See you there. And here is some more videos to watch.